Welcome to Second Life. This video is a quick start guide for new VWMOOC26 residents to help you create your avatar, learn the basics, and join our community. First, create your free account. Visit secondlife.com to sign up. Follow the prompts to create your avatar. Choose a secure password and confirm your email address. Remember to keep your login details private. Next, download a viewer, which is the program used to access Second Life. The official viewer is a great choice for new users, while experienced residents often prefer the Firestorm viewer. Once you're in, spend a few minutes in the orientation area practicing basic controls. Learn how to walk, jump, fly, and use your camera. Getting comfortable with these movements will make your experience much smoother. Communication is key. Use nearby chat for group talk, instant messages for private conversations, and configure your voice settings. Please remember to keep your microphone muted during presentations unless you are invited to speak. To visit the event location, follow the provided link in your browser to teleport to SL Academia. Once you arrive, be sure to save the location as a landmark so you can easily return later. To keep your experience positive, ensure a stable internet connection and adjust your graphics settings if needed. Prioritize your safety by only accepting invitations from known sources and never sharing your password. You're all set. Check this final list to ensure you're ready for your first session. We look forward to seeing you there. Explore, connect, learn, and enjoy your time in Second Life.